Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get free custom avatar decorations on Discord using Vencord. First, you need to install Vencord. How you do this depends on how you use Discord. If you use Discord in a web browser, you'll need the Vencord browser extension. If you use the Discord desktop app, you'll need the Vencord app for Windows, Mac, or Linux. At the moment, this only works on desktop, not on Android or iOS. If you're using a browser, open the Chrome Web Store or another Chromium-based extension store and install the Vencord extension like you would any other extension. If you're using the Discord desktop app, go to the Vencord download page and choose the installer for your operating system. Download and open the installer, select the stable option, and click Install. If you don't see the stable option, make sure the Discord app is already installed on your computer. Once the installation finishes, Vencord will be set up. Next, open Discord and go to User Settings by clicking the cog icon next to your username. Scroll down until you see the Vencord section, then click Plugins. This section will only appear if Vencord is installed correctly. In the plugins list, search for the Decor plugin and enable it. Discord will ask you to restart the app or reload the page. Go ahead and restart. After restarting, go back to User Settings, then Plugins, and find the Decor plugin again. Click the cog icon next to it. In the pop-up window, click Change Decorations, then click Authorize when prompted. Now you're ready to use free avatar decorations. To apply one, go back to User Settings, open Plugins, find the Decor plugin, and click the cog icon again. Click Change Decorations, choose one of the available free decorations, and then click Apply, Save, and Close. Your avatar decoration will now be active on your Discord profile. And that's how you get free custom Discord avatar decorations using Vencord. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.